Welcome to 35 Bergen Avenue, Sewell. Every day is a vacation in this incredible custom 3-bedroom, 2-full, 2-half-bath log home situated on a quiet cul-de-sac street in Mantua. This gorgeous home has lovely curb appeal surrounded by mature trees and a shed that matches the home. The front deck on the home overlooks the Tall Pines State Preserve and is a wonderful space to entertain outdoors and enjoy all of the beauty of nature. Relax in the spacious family room featuring a stunning floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace. The stunning eat-in kitchen has stainless steel appliances and quartz countertops. There's a breakfast bar and eat-in dining area, or for more formal entertaining, the elegant dining room with gorgeous natural sunlight. 2 spacious bedrooms sit on the first floor. The front bedroom has a gorgeous Palladian window and cathedral ceilings with a unique ceiling fan. The warm back bedroom features tongue-and-groove pine walls. The shared hall bathroom has a stall shower with frosted glass shower door. Upstairs, there is a loft that overlooks the family room, leading to your master suite and a peaceful night's sleep. Featuring knotty pine hardwood floors, a walk-in closet, and a master bathroom with double vanity, you'll love retiring to this beautiful retreat. Downstairs, the fully finished basement offers additional living space with a built-in bar and another powder room. The area is quiet and secluded, offering you peace and tranquility all year round. Located in the CLEARVIEW School District and minutes from Route 55, 10 minutes to Rowan University and the new Inspira Hospital, and 25 minutes to Philadelphia. Call Nancy Kowalik Real Estate for full details and a private tour.